How do I find someone's obituary? I am going to show you how you can easily find someone's obituary. The first way is to visit cemetery sites such as Find a Grave and Billion Graves. Individual grave records may include obituaries added by users. Look at newspaper sites such as the Genealogy Bank and Newspaper Archive. Google also has news archives. If you are researching in Australia, try Trove. Don't forget smaller newspapers such as Halton News or New York State Historic Newspapers. These sites can be a goldmine for finding ancestors who lived in the newspaper's publication area. You can locate sites such as these by searching online. Chronicling America, maintained by United States Library of Congress, provides access to digitized newspapers from 1789 to 1963. The Family Search Research Wiki can help you locate obituary look collections. For example, to find obituaries for Hungarian ancestors, search for Hungary obituaries. For public library website may have a family history or genealogy section that includes access to digital newspapers. Memorial sites such as legacy.com host obituaries for newspapers. In addition, users can publish obituaries directly to the site.